Sanibel is one of dozens of barrier reef islands scattered on the luminous blue waters of the Gulf of Mexico. We're a small island, only 12 miles long and 3 miles at the widest, linked to Captiva Island. We are famous for our shells and beaches. Located on prestigious West Gulf Drive, Wedgewood of Sanibel is one of Sanibel's premier newer condominium. This quiet corner penthouse offers a spacious floor plan with 3 bedrooms, den, 3.5 baths, jetted tub, separate laundry room, central vac, new windows, new remote control patio shutters, new furniture, new plantation shutters, 2 covered parking spaces and plenty of storage. This corner penthouse condo is meticulously maintained. Each guest room has their own private bathroom. Incredible sunrise, sunset views and moonrise from your own private sundeck. Your choice of stairs or an elevator. Wedgewood of Sanibel is well maintained with beautiful landscaping, tennis court and a super nice property manager.